on, guys? Today we are reviewing the neck and back massager, so let's see how well it performs. All right, so this is what it looks like. So here we can have all these settings. Wow. Oh my word. So if you turn it on, it instantly, I mean, look at this. This is no joke. So you sit on it, you can see the sides inflating. When you turn it off, it automatically, the pressure goes down. So, little pocket for the controller or the remote. So let's test this out. Okay, here we go. Okay, whoa. Interesting. Okay. Woo, right away you feel it in your back. Whoa. Oh, that is so interesting. So basically you pretty much try and relax. If you're tensed up, it kind of hurts a little bit. So you just try and relax and like go with the flow. Okay. I mean, this, it's like a full body massage here. No need to leave the house. So, vibration. There's heat. So you can turn the heat on, which we got that on. Compress. You can select the level. Spot. Intensity. Oh, we're turning everything max here. Woo! Mode. We're like turning everything max, and you can tell by if it's max because there's color coded. So red is max. Then you have blue, green, and red. Wow. I mean, it is definitely like, it is definitely a full. I would say with the neck one, just be a little careful. Don't push your neck back. Like, don't force your neck back. Just kind of like go with the movement. You know, if you force your neck back, I think it might be a little, it could hurt a little bit. So just kind of like go with the movement for your neck. But wow, I mean, this is like, it's definitely relaxing. That's why I'm still using it. But yeah, there's so many different modes you can do in reverse. So everything goes in reverse. Timer, there's a timer on here. I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. Yeah, anyway, you guys don't want to sit here and see a guy use a massage all day long. So yeah, I like it.